Let's meet Mr. Richard, who lives in California. From the last few days, he was planning to buy his own car to make his daily transportation more convenient. But purchasing a brand new car was quite impossible for him due to its huge costing. He was devastated and looking for some alternatives. Meanwhile, one of his neighbors suggested him to opt for a used car available in best conditions. While searching about the reputed used car dealership near him in CA, he found Car Depot. Going through their website, he got to know that it is one of the leading used car dealerships in Pasadena, California, offers the best conditioned, well-maintained used cars at cheapest rate. They have an amazing collection of used cars like sedans, SUVs, trucks and vans on the top brands. Even, they offer the best possible financial assistance to their clients to make their dreams successful. So, without wasting his time, he immediately contacted them by dialing +1 600 26469 to 0034 and shared his requirements. Their experts helped him to find the right car best suited to his automotive needs and budget. Are you searching for the same? Contact Car Depot. For more details, browse through https://cardepotag.com/.